How to create Twitter account. Open browser from taskbar or from start menu, Programs. In search bar type Twitter and press enter. Click on twitter.com from search results. Now click on sign up bottom. Here you can join Twitter using your Google or Apple account, else click on sign up with phone or email. Here you need to enter your name. Now enter your phone number or click on use email instead and enter email address. Date of birth. I'm gonna put some information here. This you need to enter your birth details and click on next. Here you customize your experience if you wish, else click next. Once check your name, email and date of birth and click on sign up. Here you need to verify your email ID. Enter the verification code that you received from Twitter to verify and click on next. Create your password. It needs to contain 8 characters with a mix of letters, numbers and symbols. Make sure to remember password. Click on next. Pick a profile picture or skip for now. Describe yourself or skip for now. Here you need to choose your username for Twitter or skip. Allow notifications to get the most out of Twitter by staying up to date or skip for now. Choose your language. Follow someone you wish to see their tweets in your timeline and click on next. And that's it, you can get ready with your Twitter account. Let me just give a quick tour. Click here if you like to look up your profile. Here is the menu with settings and stuff like. If you click here you can also look at your account itself. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.